I'm telling you something, fact about the fact. I think so yesterday the Pakistani army chief had gifted a photo to the Pakistani Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif. President of Pakistan was there, the Speaker of National Assembly was there. And these stupid jokers, they want to compete with India. They had given a photograph of a 2019 Chinese army drill, claiming it's a victory over India. Now this is what Pakistan indulges in. They cannot even give a proper photograph. तो हम बचपने में हम स्कूल में सुनते थे कि अक्सर स्कूल में क्या होता था कि हम अच्छे पढ़ने वाले बच्चे के बाजू के बैठता था, तो नकल करने के लिए अकल भी चाहिए, इन नालायकों को अकल भी नहीं है. So you just imagine that your own country's Prime Minister, President, Speaker of National Assembly is there, your so-called Mr. Field Marshal is there, and the Field Marshal gives a photograph of a Pakistani Chinese drill of PHL-03 in 2019. So this is what Pakistan indulges in, and that is why you must not, whatever Pakistan is saying, don't even take it with a pinch of salt. Rely on what our foreign ministry is saying, our official spokesperson are saying, and also don't believe our TV channels. Some TV channels have, their own. So Haza Majnoon. Haza Majnoon. So yeah. So now this is. Secondly, someone had said about you living in Kuwait and you have some Pakistanis also living with you. Of course, you're living in a third country. You have to work, you have come here to do work. But end of the day, wisdom tells you, yes, you are in an environment, you have to work. But deep down, your love for country cannot be questioned. You know very well where to draw a line, and where to even correct them in a very polite way. And I think so. We need not tell you, mashallah, you are all well versed. You have sacrificed the best parts of your life working in this country and taking it to a new level. So, I leave it to you, and we should not answer that question. How to do it, how to tell them. Thirdly, just to some points which I want to bring to notice is that this terrorist organization